Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Defender error 577 cannot verify the digital signature, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the real thing about the problem. There is either some redundant file by a virus or malware that was on your system, or some virus or malware still actively exists on your system, and thus the error is being caused. So first of all, try a disk cleanup on your system. Search for disk cleanup and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then check all of these. Click on OK and then click on delete files. The next solution is to turn on Windows security. Search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection and then click on scan options. Select full scan, click on scan now. And lastly, what do we say? You need to perform a cloud reset on your system, but you need to back up your data first, because if you don't back up your data, it will not. What do we say? You will lose that data. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on recovery. Click on reset PC. Click on remove everything and click on cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.